Hey family, it's your girl Lady D, back at you with another mukbang. Today, y'all, I am having a stuffed bell pepper. When the last time you had a stuffed bell pepper? Stuffed bell pepper, red beans and rice, and cornbread to go with it. And for my drink, I'm having ice water. Yeah, I know that's out of my norm, you guys thinking, but that's what I had been wanting, a stuffed bell pepper. Hadn't had one in a while, so I'm like, that's what I'm gonna make for myself today. So that's what I'm having. And yeah, even with the stuffing, y'all, I like to have red beans and rice on the side. Even though you stuff that bell pepper with rice, to me, that's just this little combination right here. It goes together oh so well. So how is everybody doing today? I am doing great. Thank you so much for asking. I miss y'all. I ain't see y'all yesterday, did I? No. At the recipe. It's been a recipe for a minute. But I'm back, y'all. I'm back. You never know what I might put out here, so you just have to wait and see. I just had to wait and see. You know, I had to play it by ear. When y'all know how it is, you working folks. You know how it is. You got to make it do what it do. But that's what I'm doing, making it do what it do. But I'm going to get into this meal because I am hungry. And I got a few things I need to be trying to do. So I need to get to it. Look at that, y'all. Look at that, y'all. And I just like to cut on into my pepper so I can just eat. Stopping cutting too much. I just want to pick my food up and eat it. Like I said, when last time you had a good stuffed pepper? A good stuffed pepper. And I made this one myself, so I know it's good. I know it's good. And y'all trust and believe. If I tell you it's good, it's good. Tasted that mix as I was cooking it, and it's just right, y'all. Just right, y'all. I know I asked y'all how y'all was doing today, but didn't anybody answer? Get you a bite of that pepper. Get you a bite of that. Look at that. So moist and glistening. It's glistening, ain't it? Get you a bite of that. That's what you want, y'all. That's what you want. That pepper, so tender. That meat, so tender. That rice, so tender. That's so good. That is so good. And flavorful. Like I said, when the last time you had a stuffed pepper? Think about it. I know some people only eat the inside. When the last time you had the inside of a pepper? Like I said, we had the red beans and rice on the side. And I didn't make those. Those came out the can, so not as good, but flavorful all the same. I do make red beans and rice though. I just didn't make those. Stick around. I'm pretty sure that recipe will be coming up sooner or later. Got a lot of them I want to put out there for y'all. It's all this time thing though, y'all know. If we make videos, make content, you know about the time. I've been doing the little short ones right now. But that's the time I've been having. But I hope y'all still entertained nonetheless. Interested, so. Believe me, you're going to want to stick around if you want to know how to make some stuff. Because Lady D got some stuff for you. For real. This is so good. And the pepper is so sweet. And, I don't want no cornbread for real. You just go with the meal, you know. Let's see, still. I'm looking at this on my screen. Yep. I think I got it. I made this thing darker. I didn't know you could touch the screen and make it darker. You learn something every day, huh? Sorry, y'all, if that's affecting Because on this side, it looked like it got real dark when I touched it. Matter of fact, I still got a little square up there. Look like it got a sunshine or sunlight in it. I don't know. I don't know. I have to ask the grandkids. They know. I asked that little one. That little one y'all saw on the cereal commercial. On the cereal video, I mean. You think he know? I think he know it all, y'all. Come help your grandma with that phone, boy. That little one there. He's liable to tell me anything. What y'all got going on today, though? What you got going on? What you getting into? I gotta work. I gotta work. I gotta work. I gotta work. Yeah. You gotta do what you gotta do. 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 Till you can do better. That's real. I really ain't made no stuffed up in a while. You need to make yourself some. Buy yourself some. Call your favorite auntie who make them or something. This was a pretty flavorful meal. I'm telling you, red beans. With this cornbread. This pepper. Oh yeah. And I know some grocery stores make them. I mean, you know, I know you can buy them frozen. Never had it frozen, is it? Do the frozen one got rice in it? I wonder. I don't know. Or just some kind of meat mixture. That's a good question. I wonder what the frozen one got in it. If you know what the frozen bell pepper have in it, let me know. And is it good? But I know you can buy them frozen. And some grocery stores, you know, the bigger chains, like, they sell like prepared foods. I've seen them there also. Like Deer Birds, if you know about Deer Bird. Snook. Yep. May just need a little salt and pepper. Maybe. May not even need nothing. But yeah, maybe not doing nothing. I don't kill that ain't. I don't smash that. Just about. Like I said, these red beans and rice came out of a can. I ain't holding the candlestick to this pepper. Like I say, I usually make my own, but I didn't this time. So that clam is messing up this. Like, stay in your lane. Stay in your lane. Yep. Glad I got me another one of these, because I'll be back for it. I will. One of these days I'm gonna finish everything on my plate. But I did good, y'all. I think I did good. I think. But like I said, it's gonna be a quick video. I'd like to thank you guys for joining me, checking out this video, checking to see what I'm eating today, checking out what I've been doing, listening. I hope you enjoyed. I enjoyed talking to you guys. Until next time, next video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not already a member. Thumbs up this video. Leave me a comment down below. And remember, you're always here at Lady D's, where you'll never leave here hungry. Until next time, next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.